Hi, grade 1, Egyptian syllabus. Today I will start unit 5 in new English syllabus book. Sorry, not unit 5, unit 6. Okay, the last unit in your book. But before I will go to our unit today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our unit today. Today I will start unit 6. Last class I end from we finished unit last class we ended from unit 5. Today we will start unit 6. Let's go to this unit and know more about this unit. Okay, here is we have the vocab. Let's learn it together. Some new vocab like what here is we have jungle is new vocab that we don't know before. Jungle, lion, tiger, monkey, elephant. I think all of us know lion and tiger, elephant and monkey. We see there is the strange word which is called jungle. This is the jungle is the same like forest. Okay, the place that animals live in. Okay, here we have giraffe. Here you have snake. Let's go to another extra words. Here we learn leg and ground. We say ground, we say land, or both have the same meaning of the place that all we live in. Okay, here we say listen, read, and read. Here is what is this? So here I ask about something. We say it's a lion. What is this? It's a tiger. What is this? It's a monkey. So here I ask about something. I use the keywords what. Okay, let's go to this dialogue and read it together. This dialogue is between Omar and Layla. Omar asking Layla, look, what is this? So here we have an animal, and Omar don't know that animal. So Omar asking Layla about this animal. We say, look. So here we make Layla pay attention to him. Okay, when we answering that, when we know something, when we want to do something. So here, look here means I would like to pay attention to me to know what I want from you. Okay, here is look. So when I want you to pay attention to me, I say look. When I want you to listen me, I say listen, learn, and so on. Okay, so here when we use these verbs, I use it to pay attention to me. Okay, Omar, look, what is this? Layla, it's a lion. Omar, how many lions can you see? I think we explained how many, and in last unit, we know that how many asking about what grade 1. I would like to raise your voice with me and saying, how many asks about what grade 1? You wake up, you ask about numbers. We know that in last video, we learn how many and know how many asking about numbers. I think you follow me in last video and know this from last video. If you don't know, if you don't remember, you can review the video and know and watch it again. Okay, let's go to another one here. Here is Layla. I can see 2 lines. So when we ask about how many, I ask about the numbers. Here is it will be 2 lines. How many legs does the tiger have? The tiger and the lion and all most animals have what? Have 4 legs. Most animals have 4 legs. A tiger has 4 legs. Where is the monkey? So here I ask about how many, to ask about numbers. Where here ask about what? About the place that we see it. The monkey is in the tree. So here I ask about the place of the monkey. Let's go to another one. I see an elephant and giraffe too. And look, there is a snake on the ground. We love the jungle. Let's go to another one. Asking about the places. So here I'm asking about the place. I use the proposition, like what? Like in here. The fox is in the books. Okay. Here is the rhythm. Okay. You can say the fox is in the books. So this is the rhythm. Say the same sound. Rhythm means same sound. Where is the monkey? The monkey is in the tree. Let's go to another one. Asking about number of legs. So here I ask about number of legs. How many legs does the lion have? The lion has 2. So here, if we say lions, it's plural. But here I talk about singular. So the lion has 4 legs. How many legs does a chicken have? That a chicken has 2 legs. So here when we use a or an, means I talk about singular noun, like this, a lion, an elephant. And when we use about, we use an, Like, what is the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Here we review the vowels together. Let's learn some vocab here. Let's learn it together. Here is, we have lion, giraffe, lion, giraffe, snake, elephant, snake, elephant. I would like to have pencil and paper and write this and write these words because it's important to know. Here we have lion, giraffe, snake, elephant, snake, elephant. Here is, let's do this exercise together. Tiger, which one is tiger here? So this one by this one. I select this one by this one. This is a tiger. I select this one by this. Monkey, which one is monkey? This one are clever pupils. Snake, this one. Elephant, this one. Giraffe, this one. Okay, let's continue the rest of the exercise. Okay, I omitted because the line can't move with me. So for this reason I omit the line that I put it here. Okay, that I answer with it. An elephant has what? How many legs the elephant has? The elephant has 4 legs. Where stays the elephant? So here is we have a mistake here. We must have a question mark. So we say here, where is the elephant? I see here is an elephant. Why? Because E from what? From the vowel. A line is a space form. Is a line is a space a animal is a jungle animal. It's jungle and not a farm. Okay, can see line in the farm. I can see 7 monkeys. Why here we select monkeys? Because here more than one, it will be having S. Let's go to another one here. Let's go to another one here. Here we have, is it a snack? No, it's not a snack. Is it a tiger? Yes. So here is no, this is not a snack. This is a tiger. This is a giraffe. This is an elephant. I write it here as it is. Okay. After I finish from the video, I will leave you the this book below the video to download it and answer the questions again. Let's go to another kind of question that it will be in your exam test. It will be here subject plus verb plus object. This is called what? Rearrange. So when we do this kind of question, I write this rule to answer this question in correct way. It will be here an elephant. This is the subject. An elephant. It will be here an elephant. Where is the verb? An elephant. Has. This is a verb. Has 4 legs. He has 4 legs. We can write it in numbers and can write it also in letters. 4 legs. Okay. Let's go to another one here. Here we say, I answer 2 of them and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Okay. Now we know how to do it. I give you the rule and you apply the rule in the rest of the question. I will do this one because it's have a different. When we make a question, I do the same thing in this question. This is a statement form. When we make a question, I replace the verb instead of subject like this one. It will be here, where is the monkey? It will be here, where is the monkey? Where is the monkey? Where is the monkey? And I put question mark at the end of the sentence. Where is the monkey? And I put a question mark at the end of the sentence. Let's continue. Let's go to another one here. So I leave this to do it by yourself after you finish keeping the vocab. Let's go to another one here. Space the monkey. The monkey is a tree. So here I ask about what? Here I ask the place about the place. So it would be, where is the monkey? Where is the monkey? The monkey is in the tree. Okay. So here I ask about what? I ask about the place. So where here ask about place. Okay. You must know this. You must know this keyword. Okay. The meaning when we use this word with this keyword. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here we say how many. So here we ask about how many legs. So here when we ask about how many, I ask about the numbers. How many legs does the horse have? So I write it as it is. A horse. To be here, a horse, not a have, because here is a singular, so I write it. Have here is the theme of the verb. A horse has 4 legs. Has 4. It could be here 4 legs. I can write it in letters because, as we told you before, that we are in English and we must write the numbers in letters, not in the numbers. When we are because we are not in mathematics. When we are in mathematics, you can write it in numbers, but here we write it in letters because we are in English language, and in English language we trade with vocab and words, not with numbers. How many legs does a chicken have? So it will be does a chicken have? It will be a chicken. To be here, a chicken has 2 legs. Here is we have 2 legs. Has 2 legs. To be here, 2 legs. I will write it in not like this because I don't because this handwriting is not clear. I write it like it is to read it. 2 legs. It will be here 2 legs. The goat here have how many legs? 4 legs. A dog has how many legs that the dog have? The dog has 2 legs. I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. Okay. I answer 2 of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as homework. I will leave you the link of this book below the video to download it and answer the questions again. Okay. Let's go to another one here. Here is the phonics. Let's learn the phonics together. Here is we have letter B called capital B and small b. How I write it? Capital B and small b. Here is capital B and small b. Capital B and we must know the difference between B written like this and D written like this, because most of you don't know this. Okay. So here is D, this called D, and this called B. We must take care when you write it in the exam, because most of you don't have misunderstanding when we write this letter. Okay, the D and the B, most of you have mistakes when we write it. Okay, must take care when we write these letters in the exam. Here we have banana, banana, boy, boy, bike, bike, bird, ball. Here we have banana and ball, banana and ball, bird, boy, bird, boy, bike. Here is called the letter B. Okay, written like this. Let's go to another letter, which is letter L. Here is lamb, lamb, lunch, lamb and lunch. Here is lemon, leaf, lime, lemon, leaf and lime. Okay, here is capital L and small l. Okay, let's learn the vocab that we learned in this lesson. Here is ball, bird, boy, ball, bird, boy, lamb, lemon, lunch, lamb, lemon, lunch. Okay, let's answer this question together. Here is bike. Which one is bike? This one by this one. Leaf, this one by this one. Banana, this one by this one. Lemon, this one by this one. Boy, this one by this one. Let's go to another one. What is this? Ball. So I select letter B. What is this? It's what? It's lunch. So I select letter L. Here is bird. I select letter B. Here is line. I select letter L. Here is we have the words, and we must rearrange it or reorder it again. Okay, this depends on what? On keeping the vocab. So here we say this is the word written in good way, written in wrong way. It will be here boy. Here it will be here banana. Okay, written like this. So we must keep the vocab to answer this question. Okay, this question depends on keeping the vocab. Here is boy and here is banana. I will leave that the last two words to do it by yourself. Okay, after keeping the vocab. Okay, let's go to another one here. Here we say ball and tall. Here is lion and nine. Here is the same sound. We have ball and tall, lion and nine, bike and like. This is the same sound. Okay. So here I stop here in lesson 2. Next class I will start lesson 3. I think it's enough today for you to keep to study what we took today. I hope you enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot, and till you meet again. Good.